Operating a motor vehicle from the airport enterprise rent-a-car on airport property is very serious airport business. Watch this airport guest get a huge surprise from the Sarasota-Bradenton International Airport Police Department.
Why do you think he's intoxicated?
Just slurring his speech.
Slurring his speech? Okay. He says he thinks he's intoxicated. He's slurring his speech. Oh, you saw him? 114, run me a Virginia tag. How you doing?
Hey, yeah, what's up, boss?
How you doing? You waiting for somebody?
No, I was gonna bring my rental car in, but I'm passing up over there, so I guess you go back around the lot here.
This your rental car?
Yeah, I had a tire go out and
I
stuff.
saw that. I see that.
Yeah, I gotta go.
Did you hit something? Because
Yeah,
it's all damaged.
It's on the park on that stuff, man. I got it.
It's all damaged
Hey,
here.
I'm bloody. Hey, I didn't just bring these out plastic.
You have your license with you?
Right?
You have your license?
Oh, yeah, here you go. Hold on. Man. Got the town right here, there you go.
Where are you coming from today?
Oh, it just, I was on Clearwater, and then I blow out, and then I go back over to get in the car.
Do you have any medical issues?
No, not really. But
What's not really?
Hey, just a.
Got here for a vacation?
I gotta ask you a question. Oh, my 50th high school reunion.
Oh,
man.
nice.
Hey,
So, hey, where were you coming from today?
Clearwater.
Okay.
Well,
You have any alcohol in the car? Because I'm smelling it.
000.
Did you go to a bar tonight?
No, my buddies are hanging here, so that, and then, yeah.
You have a contact number?
Oh, my cell phone number?
Yeah.
You get your 408.
408.
It's one of my buddies from California. You bug me. I can't answer the phone because I'm driving and stuff. Is it okay if I
Answer the
step over
phone?
and knock that thing
Yeah, why don't
out?
you hold off on that, please?
Yeah, you go.
So, have you had anything to drink tonight?
You know, I had a beer at my buddy's house. So,
How many beers?
Yeah. 1, 2, 3.
1 or 2?
Yeah.
Anything else? Any shots? Any mixed drinks?
No, I don't believe none of that happened.
You don't believe none of that?
I know. For a fact, I know.
You ever been arrested before?
Well, hey, I'm not as young as I look. Yeah, I did some stupid shit when I was a kid.
Yeah, we
sir.
all have. What do you get locked up for?
I don't know. I can't remember. I mean, nothing really, man. Like run a red light or, a little warrant I didn't take care of a long time ago, and I took care of it. Yeah.
Is there anything in that cup?
No. Well, no.
Let me see.
Huh? There you
Can I
go.
see it?
Check it out.
Of course, well, you did say it was.
Pretty nice out here. Hey, wait till the summertime.
Yeah.
I used to live here a long time ago.
Oh, yeah?
And you gotta get it the right time of year when it's nice. And if not, it's terrible sometimes, sorry.
Right. It gets hot.
Yeah.
So do you have any business here at the airport? Are you flying out or anything?
Well, yeah, in a couple of days I am. But the rental car blew a tire. I'm gonna take it back because it's unsafe to drive that little that recap trick thing I want.
How long have you had the car?
Today's Wednesday.
Step out of the vehicle for me. Where are the keys at?
Right on the floor.
Okay, leave them there. Let's
Yeah.
come out over here. Step on the sidewalk with me.
Oh man, hey. All right.
Any bad hips?
No, the whole body's about worn out, man.
I got you. When you're born.
You can sit, let it warm up and have it sit down. You get to sit over here.
Why don't you do me a favor, okay? Don't turn your head. Watch the tip of my pen. Why don't you do me a favor, okay? Don't turn your head. Watch the tip of my pen, okay? Only with your eyes.
Okay.
Don't move your head. Do you understand me?
I got you.
Okay. Look up. There you go.
I'm gonna follow the tip or
Yep.
the center of it. The tip?
Right here.
Oh,
That's
okay.
it.
Wow,
Okay?
I got you. I know what you're talking now.
Ready?
See?
How much have to really drink tonight?
Right about the 2, you know.
Bullshit. How much have to drink tonight?
Oh, like, it's okay, yeah, okay.
How much have you had to drink tonight?
Okay, man. I would go too far. Like 3, 4 beers.
3 or 4 beers.
Yeah,
Okay.
it's been some time.
So there's damage on that car right there.
See.
I ain't Spanish. I speak English.
Oh, yeah, yeah.
right.
Excuse me.
All right.
Hey,
And you also, when you came in, you struck that orange.
I know.
barrier.
Yeah, I did touch it. I'm coming a little close.
Okay.
I know Avis is over there. I don't know where the rental place was.
Okay.
But that's where I rented the car when I get first
Let's have a
arrived.
seat real quick.
Sure.
We got a Dewey.
Yeah.
Yep. Ready? Do you know how to do FSTs? Do we have any intox I don't think so.
Check his HTN.
Oh yeah, I just did. Yeah, check the HGN. The next 2 tests, and that's when I saw the HGN. He's not good. Do you know how to
Yes, sir.
conduct FSTs?
It's been a minute. I know you balance and turn
Yeah.
a
Have you ever done it before?
couple times.
All right. Let me see what you got.
What are you going to do?
Start to stand up.
We're gonna run through some exercises to see how intoxicated you are.
Welcome to the Sarasota Bradenton
I'm going
International
to demonstrate
Airport.
what I want you to
Parking
do.
or standing in vehicles is not allowed in
Stand on
private
this line
terminals.
right here, sir.
All vehicles
You're
not
going to
actively
go heel to toe.
loading or unloading.
You're going to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Also,
We'll do
a
7
reminder,
for you.
no pets are
I
allowed
want
in
you
the
to turn around.
unless restrained
I'm gonna
in traveling
demonstrate.
I
containment.
got you.
Thank you for your cooperation.
2, keep your hands at your sides. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now I want you to turn around.
I went to 7. Okay, I got you. I'm on
Do
the
7. How's that?
Return.
1. Hold up. Hold up. 2, 3. Yes, stretch for me.
Hey, please.
5. Keep your hands at your sides.
Yes, sir.
I'm gonna have to stop this because he's instructing them the wrong way.
Starting point.
Hey,
Starting point's right there. Use
Officer,
your left foot first
Officer
to right.
Rosenblatt, it's 10 steps.
Yeah.
On the 10th step, it takes a series of small steps, turn around, and 10 steps back. So explain that to him.
Gotcha. We're going to do 10 steps. We're going to
Oh,
do 10 steps.
I mean, you did 7. I understand.
Good.
We're going to do 10 steps. Yep.
Sorry, man. I can't. I'm not recording it that way. I can't make the voice get here at the same my handshake. I know. Hey, it's looking bad.
That's
It's
the
looking
standard.
bad. It's looking
Standard's
bad.
10.
Sorry.
Don't deviate from that because you get jammed
Okay.
up.
There's another one. Hey, I'll keep going, but I'm gonna walk the same way
Hold
all
on.
the time, man. I
Why
mean,
can't you do it? Are you in
it's just the
pain?
hips. Oh, you in carpenter 45 years. Bridgetown high rises.
Okay, so you're not able to do it.
I'm the
Are
guy
you
that
able to
handles
raise
game
your?
forms.
Are you able to raise your foot off the ground for 6 inches for a period of 30 seconds?
Yeah, hold on, Opal.
No.
Hey, I'm not lying, dude. Hey, my body's shut.
Okay.
My body's shut, dude. And hey, I can do it, but even when I do short and touch stuff, I gotta hold on to things. My balance is like,
Have you ever been arrested for DUI?
oh, a long time ago. The
How
punk,
long ago?
Fucking, about 25, 30 years ago.
Okay. Where were you at? California?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So you were partying with your boys earlier in
Oh,
Clearwater?
no, yeah. I'm doing some work for my buddy.
So you see where I'm going with this? You
Yeah,
smell like
I got
alcohol.
you. You want me to say the scene? I understand.
Hold on. You smell like alcohol.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Car's got some damage to it.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
You hit that.
Yes, sir.
You
Yes,
smell.
sir.
You smell like
I understand.
alcohol real
I
bad.
understand. I
You're
understand.
slurring your speech. Your eyes are red and glassy, and your HGN. HGN means your smooth pursuit of your eyes is off the charts.
Oh, that one. Funny thing
Correct.
was an accurate, huh?
No.
Really?
Yes.
I
Yeah,
thought-
really.
I thought they.
So you
I was
went- hold
following
on,
it, but
hold on, let me
yeah,
finish.
it's
Hold
slow.
on, Mr.
Excuse
Wayne,
me.
hold on, let me
I'm sorry.
finish.
I'm sorry.
You went from telling me you had nothing to 2 beers, now to 4
I
beers.
know. You
So
know,
is it going to go up?
Boss,
Is it going
you
further
know
up?
what you say when you say no? It's going to go farther up. Oh,
Put your hands right
okay. Thank you, sir.
Like you're praying, sir. Like you're praying.
I get you. I understand.
Like you're praying.
I'm working. Well,
114 show, 129, 250 arrest under. He's got an arrest for DUI.
yes, sir. Hey, yeah, just push where you want it. There you go. There you go. Hey.
Mike, can you go inside? Let the Enterprise know we got their car out here.
Who's it belong to?
Enterprise.
Yeah, I'll go
It's got
get it.
a donut on it now. It's got damage on
The
the
keys are in it?
Yeah, the keys are in it.
Turn my hands where you want. Yes, I do. It's in my suitcase, everything. I'm gonna fly out of town with it.
Okay.
So, how are we gonna take care of that?
We'll take care of it. What's up? When you start deviating from FSTs, man, that's not good. All right. You want to do an inventory? I'll take it inside.
Do you want the property to stay with the?
It's an Enterprise. Let me search it first before you start taking it. Just give you a heads up. There's yeah, and he's got a donut on it.
So are we going to take all the property?
Yeah, we'll take all the property. Can't leave it with them.
Sweet.
You know, I would take just what's in the bag and let the rest of that shit go. They can figure that out at a different time.
Yeah, but it's Enterprise's car,
Be here
so
all night. I mean, it's up to you, whatever you want to do.
it's up to the corporal. But
Now, you know, option number 2, easy way out of this. Take him to Marchman, let them take the
I was
thing
thinking
in,
about that too.
because he was parked.
Yeah, I know.
Well,
Keith Storm drive.
Well, it's
Keith Storm drive and hit that.
Yeah.
So
you know,
because
it's
Tyrone
different
actually
story
caught him.
how
so,
much work they want to do. You know that.
Well, Todd can use it.
Yeah, I don't care. Whatever you guys want to do, I'm fine with it.
Hold on, I want to ask the Enterprise. Where'd that Enterprise guy go? Do me a favor, Mike.
Yeah.
When the Enterprise guy comes back, ask him if his stuff can stay here and he can come get it at a different on a different day. Either that, or we're gonna have to take a shit because there might be contraband on this property too.
Well, I mean, I would do a cursory search, make sure no guns or anything like that. But other than that, I would say his immediate bag,
Definitely taking this.
and then he can deal with the rental company on.
We'll just go through it, see if anything's in it. Let me take this and see what the corporal wants to do.
With your car, you cannot drive, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yep, you are not
I
fit to
understand.
drive.
I understand.
That is the truth. All right?
Excuse us, ma'am.
Excuse us, ma'am.
General comes in.
So right now, you're gonna go and turn the whole tank.
Here come 120. 129 has one in custody.
Okay, sure. Oh, yeah, put some medicine first.
Second, sir?
Let medicine. What? Let medicine. No, substitute.
Yes, sir.
No?
No, you cannot.
Okay.
Let's check his
Okay, I
pockets.
hear you.
I will.
Hey, what can I use? My let medicine?
No. You have a seat here?
Yes,
I'm
sir.
gonna put this on you. Check you real quick. Make sure you have no weapon. You have anything weapon sharp?
No.
Yeah.
It's just.
What do you got? You got something in this pocket. What's this? Is that your medicine?
No, they're little medicine. That's it. I mean, your plug. I gotta go with safety. Safety, yeah. Little medicine's over here.
What you got in this?
Hey, he kind of blasted him. Oh, dude. Oh. Can I put some on first? Please.
No.
Oh, this will dry it out. Sorry.
Have a seat.
Ready to go? Okay.
Yep, have a seat.
Thank you very much.
Have a seat.
So, hey, I'm working, my dude. Oh! These bones are old. I don't think I'm gonna break out here, boss.
It looks that way.
I would take the immediate bags, and then the rest of the trash, I'll just leave that between him and the.
Right. No, but like all the loose clothes and stuff, we'll just throw it in trash bags. Any loose property, we'll just throw it in a trash bag.
Sounds good.
You want some gloves?
I'll just wash my hands. Just looking for Marchman, and then we give the car back to the house.
Yes. You got everything?
Looks like it.
All right. When we get in office, let's throw that in a bag.
Sure.
All suspects are innocent until proven guilty. Thank you for watching.